It's well after 11 o'clock now, and the wind is still going strong. Died back a little bit for a little while there. Now it's just gusting again. Still getting pelted with a lot of debris, and still a lot of dust coming in the tent. I'm not sure where the boat is anymore. I can't feel it through the tent body here. It's been spun around a couple times. Got slammed in the shoulder with it earlier. But right now I'm not sure where it is. It could only be maybe 2 feet from the tent, maybe. I don't know. But I think it's been spun around the other way. So far this the tent's holding up good. My voice isn't doing too good though. My throat is pretty dry, pretty dusty in here. I have a feeling that most of the tent, the fly stakes are gone. By the sound of the flapping outside, there's a lot of flapping from the tent fly. I'm still bracing the side of this tent. Still getting pretty tired. I'm hoping to get a second wind. I'm hoping to get a second wind so that I can make it through the night if I need to. Still trying to stay positive and have a sense of humor here. Whew. My throat is pretty dry. Having a tough time here. But I'm gonna make the best of it. I'm gonna get through this. And I'm gonna paddle away from here. And my voice is gonna sound better when it's done. It's sound like a chain smoker. Luckily, there's been no rain. If there was, everything in here would be wet. For sure. I'm hoping it doesn't rain. I'm really hoping that it doesn't rain. Oh man, I need a drink of water. I need a drink of water. Yeah, this is lots of fun. Lots of fun.